time is precious, and if I find something that makes my life that little bit easier, be it Photoshop, Lightroom, Final Cut Pro, something that's a plug-in that just makes the workflow process just that little bit simpler, I'm on it. I'm just going to buy it, and just that's it, make my life easier. Now this product I saw pop up on YouTube. It was around £77, which is $99, and it's called Auto Balancer. Brings video to life with white balance, temperature and tint adjustments. Now obviously, you know, your whichever software you use, you know, you'll have some sort of thing plugged in, built in, but this is just one of those plugins that you just drag on your timeline, onto your footage, and boom, you're sorted. Right, okay, so it's available for, obviously, Final Cut Pro. That's what I've got it installed on. You can get it for Premiere Pro as well. So, yeah, two options there for you. Anyway, so I'll just give you a quick rundown of the features. So you can either adjust the full frame of your video footage, or the subject only, the background only, or a trackable area. I've been using it on the full frame at the moment. Again, like I said, it's super simple to install. Now it's got the AI algorithms built into it. It does fail on some clips where the scene changes quite often, so in that, if that happens to you, you can turn it onto the manual adjustment, whereas you'll put the white and black points in manually, and then it doesn't stray away from the, you know, whatever footage you've used. It'll just keep the same settings all the way through the clip. Anyway, we'll just jump straight into Final Cut Pro and we can see it in action. Again, I try and keep my videos nice and quick, or where possible as quick as possible. So we've got some footage on the screen. Now it comes in two variants. You can either use it as a title, so it will be in your titles browser, Auto Balancer, there we go, you just drag it onto your timeline like I've done there, or we can drag it onto the timeline as a effect as well. So we'll pop that on that video. Again, it works in both ways, but in different scenarios, it might be better to use either a title or the effects. So we'll just get rid of this one for now. So we've got it installed on this footage here. And then once it's installed, you'll see the white and black balances have been set. Now this was quite a flat piece of footage when it was shot, so we're going to give it a bit more vibrance as well. Bring the exposure down just a little bit, and then we'll adjust the gamma, and basically that's it. Before, after. Now we've got some usable footage that's ready to edit or do as we please with in seconds. Now I know you can use the on Final Cut Pro, we've got the color correction icon here, but this it's got a few more features built in, so we can add different effects, like change it to nighttime. You know, there's all sorts you can go and have a look through yourself. Anyway, I'll just take that off. But yeah, it's you know, we'll try it on some other footage. We've got some more footage here. Dancer on the beach, Auto Balancer. We'll just bring the vibrance up just a bit. Not the exposure. And then the final piece, we've got some wedding footage here. Auto Balancer off and then on. Again, you can play around with the temperature if you want to as well. We'll just make this a little bit colder. It was a sort of a cold day. But yeah, just try it yourself. It's available to download as a trial. But again, like I said, I'm all for making my life as easy as possible, and if there's a plugin that makes my life easier and gets me sorting through the footage quicker, I'm all for it. Anyway, don't forget, like, subscribe. See you in the next video.